feel like my lips doubled in size. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Now, as you can already tell from the title of this video, we are going to be putting on 100 layers of lipstick. Now these are mainly the only lipsticks I have. It's 3 shades, don't judge. But we are going to be alternating between these 3 for 100 layers. Now, I'm going to start with the nude one. So let's go ahead and put 40 layers of this nude one. Let me move my hair up. No, don't need my hair getting in to the lipstick. Okay. Now, let's do this. There's 10, 30 more to go for this shade. There's 20. Feels awful. There's 30. There's 40. Ah, it's on my teeth. There's 40 layers so far. Alright. Next is this one. There's 50. $60. $70. I feel like a whole clam right now. Ugh. So now we're at 70. Time for this one. Oh. $80. $90. $100. Oh. My lips feel so weird. How I look. I feel like my lips doubled in size. Well, it's not like sticky. I just look like a clown. This is awful. I'm sorry, guys. I was bored and I actually saw this challenge on TikTok, and so I decided to do it. So I understand if you unsubscribe and unfollow me, so you don't want to be a part of this. I'm gonna be doing 100 layers of multiple different makeups, products. I think next I'm gonna be doing mascara, or maybe eyebrows, but I don't know what will be next. But I'm gonna do 100 layers of makeup, and I understand if you unsubscribe because this is ridiculous. I'm gonna go take this off now. Okay, I'm back, and I have facial wipes, and it's watermelon and aloe vera. But okay, let's see. Ooh. I forgot to take pictures.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Why do I do this to myself? There! Well, if you want to keep seeing me destroy my face by putting 100 layers of makeup on, then go hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I also post a lot on TikTok and Instagram, so go follow those accounts too. The details will be in the description of this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!